Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to use immediate window effectively. So to bring this window you can just press Ctrl Z, or you can go into view and then immediate window. This immediate window is being used to test out code that we are not going to use permanently. It's like a throwaway code. So for example, if I want to print out this particular workbook path, I could just say okay path, and then I can see okay, this file location is on this particular folder. So this kind of code, like I can say okay, active cell dot value maybe, or I could say okay, selection dot address to find out what I have been selected. So this kind of throwaway code. But in this video I'm going to show you how can we use a loop in this immediate window and print something. So for example, if I want to print out all the worksheet name, I could just say for each ws in this workbook dot worksheets, and then colon for the next statement, and that is going to be debug.print ws dot name, and the next statement, and that is going to be next worksheet, right? And then if we just press enter, then we get all the sheet names like this, right? Index.sheet, cross join, unpivot, add.th, and so on. So if you need a throwaway looping, then you can try out in this way. Just put colon in between the statement. So like if it was in the module, I could just say okay, ts and then this, and then I just need to do something here, that is I just need to bring this in the next line and then next line, and that's it. If I don't have the option explicit, then this is the same thing, right? And as in the immediate window, we don't need to specify this option explicit or anything, so you could just say like this. So that's it for this tips and tricks video. Let me know if you have any tips that you want to share. Have a good day.